Here's a look at what a tradesman found at a Mexican resort. Stay to the end, the last one could be making you sick. First off, they had double vessel sinks with clicker style drains. They looked nice. Underneath, they had standard style P-traps, which I found kind of strange actually, because I noticed in the public bathrooms they use drum style, which are illegal where I am. Now there is hard modern buildup underneath the faucet, which is kind of strange because the resort's only 5 years old. The rain style shower heads have very low pressure. I don't know if it's 1.5 gallons per minute they're getting out of this or not. I just know it's very low pressure, which you do see in rain style shower heads. There was an oversight when they planned out the drains for these showers. Now they made it work. What I found interesting was in the Hvac system. Now what I see here is a PVC, which we don't use PVC where I am. Now let me know in the comments if you use PVC where you are. Now I don't hate the idea, it would be easy to clean. The toilet is a wall-hung toilet with buttons that you press at the top. Now you do see these where I am. However, I gotta give the flush about a 6.8. You have to hold this thing down to get it to take anything away. Now this is the one that surprised me. I had to get in behind these buttons. I assumed I knew how they operated, but I had to see it. Now what I found behind this kind of surprised me, and it could be making you sick. Now I don't expect them to clean this every day, but I think somebody has to get in here and get this cleaned up. Thanks for watching.